Quran speaks about everything. Quran speaks about creation of universe. Quran talks about the biology, the origin of the life. Quran talks about the sky and the earth and the rain and the vegetation. All the subjects of the education are in the Quran. Biology is here, botany is here, geology is here, chemistry is here, mathematics is here. What kind of mathematics? For example, the Quran says the word BAHR, which is mean the sea, for proportion compared to the land is 28% and 71%, 28.9% and 71.1%. The proportion of the sea and the land in the Quran, the words. The word sea and the word land, the BAHR, the land, the dry land. And according to the modern science, because of the satellite cameras, they found out 71.1% is the sea and 28.9% is the dry land on the earth. So many mathematical miracles, scientific miracles, biological miracles, physics miracles are mentioned in the Quran.